What if I told you that a simple kitchen food, something you probably eat for breakfast, could secretly supercharge your garden? Yes, oatmeal. Today, I'll show you why burying oatmeal in your soil is a game-changing natural booster. Oatmeal is packed with nutrients like phosphorus, magnesium, and iron, exactly what plants need to grow strong roots and healthy leaves. But the magic doesn't stop there. When oatmeal breaks down in the soil, it attracts earthworms and beneficial microbes. These tiny workers aerate your soil, recycle organic matter, and make your garden naturally fertile. Plus, oatmeal improves soil texture, keeping it moist longer, which is perfect for hot, dry days. Here's the trick. Take a handful of plain, uncooked oatmeal and bury it 2 to 3 inches deep in your garden soil near your plants. You can also sprinkle it in your compost pile to speed up decomposition and feed the microbes. But remember, use it in small amounts because too much oatmeal can get mushy and attract pests.